This presentation demonstrates a highly efficient, overnight asset maintenance procedure designed for restoring premium bathroom porcelain and hardware fixtures using standard household solutions. The structural baseline of this procedure requires an initial, precise measurement of exactly 250 milliliters of distilled white vinegar poured directly into a transparent graduated vessel. Distilled white vinegar serves as an exceptionally potent, non-toxic acid compound capable of naturally breaking down calcium carbonate, stubborn mineral deposits, and deeply embedded soap scum without compromising the structural integrity of the fixture surface. To optimize the cleaning matrix and introduce a high-performance deodorizing agent, incorporate a secondary layer of concentrated lavender fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner directly into the measured vinegar base. This specific integration creates an enhanced chemical synergy where the acidity of the vinegar blends with the advanced surfactant properties of the cleaner. This formulation effectively encapsulates and neutralizes ambient bathroom odors at the molecular level, while simultaneously expanding the solution's capability to cut through thick grease and surface grime. Prior to application, ensure that the sink stopper mechanism is fully engaged and sealed to prevent premature drainage. Proceed to gently distribute the combined solution across the basin, allowing it to pool completely around the target areas. For maximum structural efficacy, this formulation must remain undisturbed overnight. Allowing a full nocturnal cycle ensures a sustained chemical reaction where the active ingredients continuously dissolve, lift, and separate deeply embedded accumulation from the surface without requiring manual agitation or abrasive scrubbing. Upon completion of the designated overnight incubation cycle, manually disengage the drain mechanism to evacuate the remaining liquid volume. Following standard post-treatment protocol, execute a comprehensive rinse of the entire basin, utilizing clear, high-pressure running water to flush away loosened debris. Upon close inspection, the porcelain and metallic surfaces will exhibit a fully restored, high-gloss finish, completely clear of hard water ring lines, cloudy film, and microscopic residue layers. By executing this standard overnight application, operators will observe a distinctly transformed, pristine finish by the following morning, maintaining a premium aesthetic with minimal resource expenditure. For more structured, highly optimized household protocols, natural DIY maintenance techniques, and structural care strategies, ensure you follow this channel. Detailed procedural feedback, observations, and individual results may be logged for review in the comments section below. To confirm the successful execution of this cleaning protocol and help optimize this algorithm for maximum reach, please navigate to the feedback section. If you found this overnight maintenance breakdown valuable, drop the phrase "best hack" directly in the comments section below. Your engagement directly supports the continuous development of these natural household optimization strategies.